Hi guys, this is a bonus video I will be sharing with you. So you must have seen the product adding is very hard and we will need to do one by one. So we have a plugin. We have a plugin that can edit all the products in bulk. If you want to change the price bulk, you can do it. You want to change the product image very fast or you want to edit anything in bulk order, we can do it. So let me show you how to do it. The first step is to install the plugin. So go to plugins and download it. Once you are downloaded, click on the upload button. Click on the upload button. Choose the file and search for the file where you have kept the downloaded file. The plugin's name is Advanced Bulk Edit. So I have kept it. So let me try to install this one. It may take some time depending on the hosting that you have. So it will take some time. So we will need to wait for it. Once it's done, we can simply click on activate. Awesome, our plugin has been activated. Now let's go to products, and now you can see there is one more extra option like advanced bulk edit. This is the menu where we can access the plugin. So it's very easy to use. The first step we have to do is we can first filter however we want, or we can add all the products. Okay, so now the first step, if you have filtered the products the way you want, you can simply click on get products. Now it will try to fetch all the products in the WordPress. So you can see this is the product that we already created. So now let's try to add multiple products. So simply click on add and specify how many products you want. For example, if you want 10, click on 10 and click on add. Now you will be able to see multiple new products, right? Now you can edit them like Excel. Veg burger, honey burger, veg pizza, non-veg patties, bakery food, amazing food. Okay, these are all the products that I have just created. Second step is to add the image. It's very easy. Click on set product image, find the image and just click and set as a product image. It's very easy. Now go ahead and close. So just like that, you can also create category or add new, just like this. Let me add it like the pizza. Awesome, right? You can add fast. Okay, it will not take much time. You can do the same process that you did earlier in less time. Let's add 15, 10, 9, 10, 13. Also you can add the sale price as quick as regular, like 18, 12, 8. Don't forget to keep the sale price below the regular price, or else it may give some errors. Okay, your description can be also done very fast. Amazing food. So once everything is done, you just have to deselect all and save changes. Now the changes have been saved successfully, right? Now again select all, click on the bulk edit and change the status to publish and just click on OK and save it. Awesome. The products have been published. Let's click on all products to view the products. You can see the products have been added. New products. Awesome. The honey burger, veg pizza, patties, bakery food, amazing food have been added. Awesome, right? Also, if you navigate to the shop where we actually purchase the product, there also you will be able to see the products. Awesome, right? We have bakery food, amazing food, honey burger and other products. That's it. Thank you.